Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys one pot vegetarian recipe, which is Chipotle Burrito Bowl in instant pot or any electric pressure cooker you have. Really easy, really quick, delicious, and leftover you can use as a stuffing for your burrito. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the recipe. Okay, to make this recipe, burrito bowl in an instant pot, I'm going to take oil into this pot, and my pot is in saute mode right now. So I'm just going to take a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. And once oil gets ready, we're going to start adding our ingredients to it. This burrito bowl is going to be a vegetarian rice burrito bowl. So for that, I'm going to quickly show you what ingredients or vegetables I'm using. So here I'm using sliced onion and colorful bell pepper, sliced, and a little bit of cilantro. And then I have some homemade salsa, and then I'm going to use canned corn and black beans. So our oil seems ready. I'm going to add minced garlic into it. Now it's been a couple seconds. I see it's getting a little brown. So before it turns really brown, you want to add your vegetables. So here I'm going to add my onion and bell peppers. You can also cut it in a square piece if you don't like julienne cut. I'm going to add just a really little amount of salt just for this vegetable, so they can cook faster. We just have to cook them until it gets soft. We don't have to cook them completely. So as you can see, they're softening a bit. And so now I will add corn as much as you like. And then I'll add black beans. A whole can of black beans. And after a couple of seconds, we will start adding our spices. So I'm gonna add a very little bit of cumin powder, and then a big tablespoon of taco seasoning. You can adjust the quantity for this according to your preference. I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes. Give it a mix. I like it spicy, so I'm adding a little extra chili flakes than normal, but of course you can adjust according to your preference. Now this time I will add my rice. I'm using 1 cup of basmati rice. I'm going to add this. I haven't washed or soaked this rice. And now we just have to cook this rice for a minute until you see a little different texture in the rice. So what I'm going to add is our salsa. So just homemade salsa. You can use store-bought. It's up to you. Gonna add this much, and water. So I had 1 cup of rice, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. If you use liquidy salsa, then add less water. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro on top. Now you're gonna taste it. If you need salt, you can add. We have added a little bit of salt in the beginning, and then I add taco seasoning a lot, so there is a salt in it. So I'm just gonna give it a try and see. Need a little more salt. Perfect. So we have added everything. The only thing we have to do is close the lid So this is on saute, so I'll cancel that. And then what we have to do is pressure cook. So there is a pressure cook. Select the pressure cook, and we are going to pressure cook it for 12 minutes. So now we have to pressure cook this for 12 minutes. Alright, so after 12 minutes I'll be back and show you what to do next. Time to open it after 15 minutes standing time. So let's check. Our burrito bowl is ready. As you can see, colorful bell peppers, black beans, corn, rice, everything you can see, and it perfectly cooked and looks so delicious. If you prefer a little drier, then you can add less water, but this turns out perfectly. When I was eating, I found it perfectly moisture in this rice and burrito bowl. So let's quickly serve this with some shredded lettuce, sour cream, cheese, and some salsa and chips. You can also add some guacamole. I didn't have it on hand, so I'm not adding it, but if you have, you can definitely add. It will add extra flavor to it, and this turns out really good, very delicious. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.